Morning skincare routine. 1. Cleanser. Start your skincare routine by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser. 2. Toner. Apply a toner to balance your skin's pH levels, minimize pores, and hydrate your skin. 3. Serum. Apply a serum with active ingredients that target your specific skin concerns. 4. Moisturizer. Once all your serums have sunk in, follow with your regular moisturizing cream. Don't apply moisturizer if you have oily skin. 5. Sunscreen. Finish your morning routine with sunscreen like SPF 30 or higher SPF to protect your skin. Thank you for joining us.